Hi everyone! In today's video I'll show a few funny ways how you can wear your scarf at home. With the quarantine we have to stay in the apartment, it can be difficult, right? So my way to stay sane is to be a little bit crazy. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena, welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's get started. I like to wear this velvet hairband to keep my hair off the face, and also it keeps my scarf in place. I'm going to use this polyester vintage scarf. It is not as fragile as a silk scarf, and it keeps the shape well. First look, we need to fold the scarf to a large band. Always pay attention how you fold your scarf. You can end up with a quite interesting print. Let's make a rabbit with the ends. It holds the shape just fine. Or we can wear the ends like this. Quite unusual too. Or we can make a bulldog face. Another look that I wear quite often is a flower. You may know this not from this video. You can wear it centered or move it on the side. If you like my scarf, I will leave a few links in the description to some bright vintage scarves. And the third look I would call a good housewife. Just fold the scarf at the form of triangle. Tie the ends on the front. And form a fake bow. If the ends are too long, you can hide it inside. For more scarf ideas, remember to subscribe. If you like scarves, subscribe to my channel and check those videos, you may like it too. And if you have any ideas for future video, please let me know in the comments below. I hope to see you soon. Bye!